For the moment, so ladies and gentlemen, a warm reminder to you, remember to switch your mobile phone to the silent mode, and we are going to earn a lot of the money and also the fruitful, valuable achievements in your pocket. So let's get ready, so not to miss out. As we know that today we have so many friends here today, so please don't miss it out. So Dr. Fred, just as you could see, today we are here to bring out the connect, grow, and also inspire. So now let's pass the stage for you.
Thank you. Thank you. It's a great pleasure for me to introduce to you a new topic. It's called Turning Back the Aging Clock, and it's about epigenetic modulation with a new product which is in the pipeline. It is my honor to introduce to you the main ingredient of this product, which is shown here. It's an ingredient Middle Biochemistry has developed. It's called Mona Juventa. And this is all about healthy living, and it's about longevity, lifespan and health span. And this is what everybody of you and of all the consumers want to achieve. We want to live long and healthy, and we have developed at Middle Biochemistry a new ingredient which will give you additional benefits in this direction. And to do our studies, we have two concepts. If you want to learn more about longevity, anti-aging, we do this by two directions, and these are shown here. One idea is to study the so-called hallmarks of aging. These are 9 fundamental mechanisms why we age. So that's the biochemistry about aging. The other strategy you can apply is the so-called blue zone strategy, and this means that you have to study why the centenarians, that means people who have become more than 100 years old, can reach that high age. So what do they eat, what do they drink, how do they live, how do they interact to become so old? These are two complete strategies to study the aging process, and we have applied both to develop our new active ingredient. What I want to mention here is that these hallmarks of aging were invented 2013. And Middle Biochemistry, as you probably know, have launched the stem cells already in 2008. So that means about 5 years before the hallmarks of aging were invented, we already had the stem cell as a hallmark of aging.
Sorry for Dr. Fred, just an interrupt. So this is a short announcement to everyone. Yeah, there's no video session for this session. Thank you so much. We are having a group photo after the talk. Thank you so much for your cooperation. The other record video, and please be seated. Thank you so much. See you.